My name is Paula Andrea Ceballos Manrique. Today I am going to express the passive voice. Simple present to the object and is are past participle and complement active. There are spoons in the car. Passive the car are to the them. The car object are and are to and participle. The them and complement. Simple past. Structure. Object was with verb 3 past participle. Complement. Active. The advisor need to get a visa. Passive. A visa an object was made to verb 3 past participle. Be10 advisor and complement. Present progressive. Structure. Object is are and bank participle and complement active. They are still preparing the food. Passive the food are being prepared B10. The food and object are being and bake prepare and participle. B10 and complement. Past progressive. Structure. Object was, we, being, was, participle, complement. Active. The crop was shortly feeding the next stadium. The next stadium was being shortly fed with the crop. The next stadium object was baked and baked, jointly fed and participle with the crop and present perfect. Structure. Object up as then past participle and complement. Active. The doctors that have made the encounter over the lunch break. Passive. The answer have been made by the doctor over the lunch break. The answer object up then and then mode and participle be the doctors by the lunch break and complement. Simple future. Structure. Object will be past participle and complement. Active. The answer will contain you. Passive. You will be content with the answer. You object will embed be and be content and participle with the answer and complement. Modal verbs. Structure. Object modal verbs be past participle and complement. Active. You should reading the lessons before the test. Passive. The lesson should be reviewed by you before the test. The lessons object should modal verbs be and be reviewed and participle and you before the test and complement. Example. Active. You shouldn't speak to your neighbor. Passive. Your neighbor should be spoken to. You active. You own to clean the decks. Passive. The decks own to decline by you.